Bertazzoni refrigerator model REF30RCPRR-23 error codes. These premium built-in column refrigerators are masterpieces of Bertazzoni design and technology. Their stylish panel-ready front doors reflect close attention to detail and high-quality materials, inside and out. Aluminium and glass surfaces make it easier to maintain hygiene throughout. The side-mounted evaporator design offers category-leading depth and storage capacity. Top and lateral LED lighting gives you perfect all-round visibility. Easy to use, the touch control user interface offers precision temperature control to extend food preservation. A variable speed compressor ensures accurate temperature control and energy efficiency. Efficiency is key. Lateral airflow creates a cold air curtain to maintain a consistent temperature even when door is opened frequently. Rapid cooling to optimize the temperature when large amounts of food are loaded. Error codes. Code. Power failure. Problem. Prolonged interruption of electrical power. The appliance resumes operation automatically. The display shows the warmest temperatures achieved.